Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I hope you stick around and subscribe. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's part of the reason why I started the channel. It's called Parkinson's syndrome, which is defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's. And I wanted to show just because you have some challenges doesn't mean you have to give up what you know and love. Makeup is for everybody, every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. So today we are going to go and review the Tarte Face Tape foundation. When it first came out, I wanted nothing to do with it. They came out with all light foundations and like 3 deep ones. So I wanted absolutely nothing to do with it. But now they've come out with 50 different shades, 50. And so I thought, you know what? Let's take a look at it. Let's see what they have to offer. It retails for $39. It's supposed to be long wearing, sweat proof, waterproof, full coverage. And it's also supposed to help your skin with, let's see what it's got in it. Snow mushroom extract, apple fruit extract, and hyaluronic acid. So we are going to take this for a ride today. It says 12-hour wear, transfer proof. I'm sorry, please forgive my voice, I'm still hoarse. Transfer proof, and of course it's cruelty free and vegan. So let's take this for a ride today. I'm going to put some on my little tray. Hopefully I shade matched well. Oh, that might be a little too much. That's okay. I have my dampened beauty sponge. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot to prime. I'm going to prime with Tarte Poreless Primer. Since we're using a Tarte foundation, I'm going to use the Tarte Poreless Primer. I'll put this on. And then we'll get started. I can't believe I almost forgot my primer. Very smooth primer, by the way. If you guys like Smashbox primer, you'll like this. It's very nice and very similar. Okay. That's one in the tube, not in the pot. Let's see how we do. It looks like it'll be a good skin match. And maybe a little, ooh, wow. Okay, yeah. I got a lot. Maybe did not need to dip in that much. Holy moly. Okay, so it's full coverage. A little goes a long way. We learned that right from the beginning. I do like the way it blends out. Might be a little light, but they tend to darken over time. I think I'll be okay. I don't know what's with me and picking light foundations. There we go. And this is only available at Ulta. I do hear that they are coming out with a new water foundation that will be available at Sephora in the Rainforest of the Sea collection. Not sure if I'm going to try that one or not. I do usually like Tarte though. Okay, this does look very nice. You can take a close-up view. Hopefully I'll darken up a little bit, but you know, I can use, wow, it looks really light in the monitor. Holy moly. I will use some bronzer and make this look a little less ghastly. And if need be, I got it from Ulta. I can always exchange it for another shade. Okay. Since we are using the Face Tape foundation, I am going to use the Shape Tape concealer. I haven't used it in a while. I've been using so many different concealers and, you know, trying new ones. Kind of cool to go back to this one. Shape Tape concealer is awesome. And I do put it on my eyelids. It's a good primer as well. If you guys haven't tried the Shape Tape concealer yet, I highly recommend it. It is also available at Ulta. Okay, I think everything looks good. Little light, but good. So I'm going to give this quite the workout today. I will check in with you guys as the day progresses. I have doctor's appointments. I have errands to run. I, have a lot of stuff to do. So it is going to definitely be 10, 12-hour day. So we'll see how it wears. We'll see if it oxidizes. It's supposed to be transfer proof. So I will give you guys the unbiased details. All right, guys, I will see you in just a little bit. Hey guys, I'm checking in. It's been about hour and a half, 2 hours since I started it. I got you zoomed in so you can see. It actually looks really, really good. It hasn't separated at all. It did darken up a little bit, which is good because I got too light. Either that or I finally got used to it. I don't have warmed up my face with bronzer. Yeah, I don't know. But either way, a couple hours in, I really like it. I am, just kind of catching up on stuff right now, getting the morning stuff done, but I am about to put it through the hot tool test and then run errands, so we'll see how that goes. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so it has been 6 hours, and let me tell you, I can already tell you right now, I'm not going to do another follow-up because I can already let you know that this foundation is great. It has not transferred. It has not separated. I used hot tools on my hair, got a little sweat going on. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Dabbed it with my little handkerchief and nothing. It is great. It has not separated at all. It is still looking really fresh, just as fresh as when I applied it. So if it falls apart at like 8 or 10 or 12 hours, I'll do a follow-up. But the way it's wearing right now, I have got to say thumbs up on the Face Tape by Tarte foundation. If it's in your budget, go to Ulta, pick it up. I mean, this is really great. I think that this is going to become one of my go-to foundations. I mean, it looks fresh. It's full coverage, but doesn't look cakey. So I am so glad that they came out with 50 shades. I never would have tried it if they hadn't. So that will do it for today, guys. I hope that you guys are having a great week. Let me know if you have any requests or ideas. Let me know, because we are a community. So I will talk to you guys down in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.